In this section, we're going to discuss the importance of thermal scans, one of the most valuable tools in measuring progress during the course of the care. Nerves from the spine regulate the function of organs, glands, and blood vessels. Spinal subluxations can interfere with this control system. As a result, the thermal scans become incredibly valuable as a tool for us to go and understand these imbalances. When you look at the graphs, there are going to be a number of different colors. White bars show normal balanced activity and temperature regulation. Green shows mildly unbalanced activity and temperature regulation. Blue bars show moderately unbalanced activity and temperature regulation, and red bars show severely unbalanced activity and temperature regulation. When you look at the scans, you might notice that there are potentially elevated colors at single spinal levels or clumped together. When we see them clumped together, it indicates deepening patterns of interference that may be affecting one or multiple systems within the body. One thing that's important to remember is that the spinal column and the spinal cord are organized very similarly to a breaker box in your house. At every level of the spine, specific spinal nerves exit the spinal cord and route to organs. Those specific spinal nerves control specific organs, glands, cells, and tissue. A healthy scan should be mostly white on both sides. We look for symmetry and balance when we look at those. We want as much normal activity as is possible. As brain and body interference increases, it becomes more significant, we start noticing deepening patterns of interference that can trigger unhealthy imbalances in the nerves that regulate the blood vessels, the glands, and the organs. As you notice in this scan, there's lots of color, which means activity levels that are far above normal. But the great news is chiropractic adjustments have been shown to consistently break down these unhealthy thermal patterns and normalize the nerve controls to the organs and the glands. And most importantly, consistent care and scanning confirm the impact that chiropractic care has on organ and gland metabolism. That's why we see such amazing results with the children and the adults that we care for.